What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm here at my college in the empty parking lot on a Sunday with the Focus. So today in this video I'm going to be going over every single thing I have purchased for the car and all the stuff I've installed on it, and I will be providing the price of every single thing, and I will link every single item I go over in the description, so if you guys want to buy it, it'll be easy access to do so. So first up is the exhaust I bought for the car. So I purchased the Borla Catback Exhaust. So it says Borla on the top on each of the pipes. I think these are 3.5 inch diameter exit pipes, stainless steel. So the price of the Borla exhaust, it was $789, and I also bought the exhaust hangers. I believe I got these off CJ Pony Parts. So that's a total of about 840 bucks. I can't remember if that price included shipping or not. But yeah, so about 840 bucks for the exhaust. It was the very first thing I did to the car, and I would say if you wanted to do anything to your Focus, it would be to get an exhaust. The exhaust changes the whole sound of the entire car. I would say that's the very first thing that anybody should do if they want to change the sound of the car. Definitely the exhaust. All right, so next up is the cold air intake. So let me pop the hood. Okay, so the second thing that I got was the cold air intake. I've recently removed the box so I can hear the turbo flutter a bit better. So this is from Cobb, cold air intake from Cobb, which was about $315. So I actually bought the exhaust, the Borla exhaust and the Cobb cold air intake at the same time. I got them installed at the same time. I got it done at just some local shop. I believe they charged me maybe, shit, I can't remember. It was quite over 3 years ago now. I want to say maybe like $100, maybe 200, 150. I don't know. I'll go with $100 they charged me to put all that stuff in. All right. So the next thing that I bought, the third thing that I bought, was the Cobb Accessport. So this little guy right here, so this is gonna run you $500 flat. So this is the Cobb Accessport. It plugs into your OBD2 port right here. I have it all tangled up right there because I was driving with it. There's a way you can run this wire that looks like way better, and it's kind of hidden, but I just haven't done that. And I'm using a phone mount to hold it up. But they have a mount that like wedges in here. But anyway, yeah, so third thing was the Cobb Accessport. So I have my car tuned to stage 2 right now. Okay, so that was 500. Okay, so the fourth thing would be this Mishimoto Front Mounted Intercooler with the big M. So that ran me $905, and they custom, well, not custom made, but they make them specific to order. So it took them a little over 2 months to make that and ship it out. Got that installed. This front mounted intercooler comes with all the replacement pipes, so all the piping is actually bigger, which is different from, because you can just unbolt the stock intercooler and then bolt on a different intercooler using all the same pipes, which I think is pretty lame. If you're going to be spending a lot of money anyway, you might as well replace all the pipes. Okay, so that covers that. All right, what is next? Let's see. Okay, so mud flaps. So the mud flaps I have are the matte orange RokBlokz. This is my second pair of mud flaps on the car. The first pair of mud flaps I had were the Rally Armor, just in black. So the RokBlokz mud flaps cost $100 flat, I believe. Yeah, $100 flat, so that's a pretty good deal. The Rally Armor mud flaps for the Focuses are $148.99, so basically $150. In terms of road noise, the Rally Armor is way quieter because the material is different and it like absorbs the shock noise, so you don't really hear all the rocks hitting your mud flaps. These are pretty loud. but I don't really mind. I think it kind of sounds cool sometimes. But yes, $100 for the RokBlokz Mudflaps. Okay, next up we have the Big Ram Snorkel right here. So we got the Snorkel from Velossa, the Big Ram mouth Snorkel with the orange colored flare. This cost $170. All right, so next we have the Velossa wing lift kit up here with all those orange pieces. Gives it that kind of look. So this costs $95. So just keep in mind that there is a do-it-yourself kit, which I believe you can do for like $10 to $15, which a lot of people have done. I didn't find out till kind of after I already purchased this, so it was kind of whatever. And you know, it was kind of nice that they already painted orange. And yeah, so $95 for that. Then we have the Boosted Designs dead pedal. So that is down there. The dead pedal, you can't really see it that well. Let me get a flashlight. So the dead pedal by Boosted Designs has a little ST logo right in the center. So this was $36 total, including shipping. It's very nice. It's a nice little addition. I really like it. 36 bucks, Boosted Designs. Okay, so the next thing would be the DMB Graphics ST Badges. So the front and the rear badge. So I got them in orange, obviously. This was about 20 pounds at the time, which was, they are 20 pounds, which worked out to $25 at the time of purchasing it. The company DMB Graphics. I really like them. They got here pretty quick, especially coming from England. So here's the back one. Super high quality, really nice. It's been through rain, many car washes, no issues. It's really stuck on there. So pretty cool. Okay, the next thing we have, I might as well cover, keeping on the same line. So the next thing would be these Emblem Overlays, which are complete shit, and please do not buy them. That would be from, I don't have the company written down because I don't really care. I have a video on these. Yeah, don't buy these suck. They cost me $34. It was a waste. So that covered the front emblem, the one on the steering wheel, and this one right here. This one, it's not as bad, but the front one was really bad, and the one on the steering wheel, like, it just peeled off, so it's pretty shit. $34 going to waste. I do have new ones. They're from Gel Badge Australia. They're called Gel Inlays, so they're a little different. Those cost me 67 Australian dollars, which works out to be about 50 bucks. I haven't put them on yet. I will be doing it soon, but I can already tell because I've got them, and the quality is way better than these. So we'll see if that 50 bucks is worth it. Next up we have the Sequential turn signals. So it's these guys right here. Nice black finish. Let's take a look what they look like. Oh, if we lock the car, unlock the car, so you can see the sequential light go. Pretty neat. That was $25. Very cheap, very much worth it, I would say. Only $25. Okay, next thing is gonna be the wheels. So these wheels are from Option Lab. They're 18 by 18.5 with a 40mm offset. I love these wheels. They do get dirty kind of quick. Don't know if you can really tell. Probably can't really tell, but I did wash the car 4 days ago. They're not that dirty, but yeah. So these cost me $828 exactly. That included shipping and tax and everything, so $828. So basically $200 a wheel. Definitely completely changed the overall look of my car. I would say this is probably up there with the exhaust on must-haves for the Focus. Definitely changing the wheels. I did weeks, months worth of research on deciding if this is what I really wanted. But yes, $828 from Option Lab. And I should say that Option Lab is the brand of the wheel. The website or the place that I use is called Fitment Industries. I'm sure if you follow cars, you probably know what they are. But anyway, I'll link those down below. Okay, moving on. Let's see. Oh yeah, we have the three-piece splitter, three-piece aluminum splitter. So that's this guy down here. So if you can see, there's three pieces. You have the center piece, the left and the right piece. So that was $308 after tax and shipping. I believe that's from, I want to say it's Rally Innovations. The link will have the correct name. And then after the three-piece splitter, we have the fully torqued racing splitter rods. So that's these guys right here. These are freaking awesome and very, very, very well made. Check out the video I made on installing these. Not too bad, pretty cool. I definitely really like the look that it gives the car. Those rods look sick. So those were $80. And I'm thinking that is it. Oh wait, nope, that is not it. I have a whole nother page here. All right, so I moved spots because the sun's set and it was getting really dark and there's no lights on that side. But the freeway is right there, which is kind of loud. So I'll make it quick. So the next thing right here is we have the Sound Symposer Delete Kit with boost port option right here. This is the plate. This is from ACCELATEC, which cost me $30. However, in the description down below, I will link the Stita option because I think this one's still out of stock and that one is $35. And then up next, we have the tubing, the vacuum tubing. This is from Amazon. I believe it was $8. I will link that down below. I reused the factory clips or the clamps to get that all set up. So that's $8. Okay, so next we have the dashboard cover. So that's this guy right here. So it has the cutout for this. Can't really see up there, but there's a cutout for the automatic headlight sensor up there. So this cover cost $50. I can't remember the company I used, but I will link the website down below. Yeah, so $50 for that. And then up next is we have the carbon fiber shift knob from Ford. I believe this comes standard on ST3 packages, but this is $108. Pretty expensive, but way better than the stock shifter in this car because that thing is freaking ugly. So this is carbon fiber shift knob, $108. Yeah, so, and then we have to go to the trunk. So we have so I know it's not really a car part, but the 10-inch subwoofer from Rockford Fosgate. This is the P1 Punch. And the amp is underneath the carpet here. I'm not going to pull that up, but so for the amp in the subwoofer was $400 including the install and tax, which was a pretty good deal. Just got it done locally. So last up we have is the tint that I got on the car. I know it's kind of pointless to try to show you what tint looks like at nighttime, but that cost me $200 flat. I got it done at again a local place, $200. So I got the tint all the way around the same. Yeah, so $200. So I got home last night after filming the video and I totally forgot to mention my favorite modification done to the car, which is installed through the passenger wheel well, and that is the Turbosmart 5050 dual port blow-off valve that I got off CJ Pony Parts and is $170. All right, so back to the video. Just roughly estimating, just looking at my little papers, I believe the total price that I've spent, I know it's like over $4,700, probably close to $5,000. So we'll call it $5,000, which is a pretty depressing number. However, I do love the shit out of this car. and I love installing stuff. I just love cars in general, so I would definitely say worth it. If it brings you any ounce of happiness, I would say it's worth it. So definitely worth it in my case. Hopefully in your guys' case as well. If you're watching this video, it probably is. But yeah, so that is going to be everything that I've installed on the car and how much it cost. So keep in mind, I do still have a couple other things laying around that I have not put on the car, and I haven't included that into the price. But yes, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope anybody watching this found it helpful. And if you liked anything that I put on this car, just hopefully those links that I put down below are really helpful, so it's really quick and easy to see if you want it. But yeah, I appreciate anybody watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.